Junkyard Junkie back here with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace your door handle on a 12th generation Ford F-150. So let's jump right into it. So if we look here, mine's broke. This is going to be a very easy fix anyone can do at their own home. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to get back here with a pick, pull this little plastic piece off to reveal some bolts. Also, down here, we need to take that little door off. That way we can also get to another bolt. There we go. Pull that right out. Okay, so if we look in here, there's a little notch right here. And there we go. Okay, so that reveals two 8mm bolts. So we got one right there, and then we have one right in there. So now we'll just zip this out. And then we'll just do the same thing for this bolt right here. So these doors come off pretty easily. All we got left are two 6mm. We got one right there and one right here. Okay, so after that, you just want to come in and lift it up. Like that. Okay, so looking inside, coming in the door, on the back of the door handle, you'll see these two tabs right here, one on each side, needs to be pushed in, pulled out. So as you can see, we got this one pushed in, we got to get the other side. So just rotate it around. We'll just push in this other tab here. It'll pop out just like that. Okay, so looking at it from this side, you gotta press in both of these. You can press one in, then turn it and press the other one in. Then it just comes right out through there. And then we're also gonna unhook these two connectors right here. So if you come down here, press in right here, pull out. Press in, pull out. Now we can remove the door panel. Okay, so coming back to the back of the door handle, we come over here to this side and there's these little push ends that are holding it in place. We're going to press them in, push forward, and it will fall out just like that. Now then, out with the old and in with the new. Okay, so if we look on the back side, it has those two that we had to push in. You want to put those right back where it was. So you just stick it in here. And it just pops in just like that. So looking at the door panel, you want to get all these little tabs to sit right back in there. So you just lift up on the door and push it back in. So first you want to go ahead and reconnect your connectors. And then we got to get this back in there. This is super simple. Okay, to get it back in there, you just want to take your barrel nut, stick it through, get the wire to go in, just like that. And we're going to pull back, and you just get it lined up, push it back in. You'll hear it click just like that. Now then, you want to get all these to go back up in the door where they were. It goes all the way down both sides. Okay, that is a little bit of a pain to put that door back on. It just depends on how well it cooperates with you. But mainly you just want to focus on that door lock first. You want to lift up, put it over that with it in its unlocked position. And then you'll come down and make sure all those go into their appropriate holes and you'll be good to go. Okay, we'll put our bolt back in the door handle. Remember, the longer one goes up near the door handle itself. Just like that. And we'll just stick our cover back in here. Just like that. Now we'll just go ahead and take this wrapping off the door handle itself. Now for the longer bolt. There we go. Then we just put the cover back in with that little lip going inwards. So just stick that in there. There we go. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.